With news just coming in, there's been the first movement of train carrying migrants during this lockdown. The train carrying 1,200 migrants from Lingampally in Telangana to Hatia in Jharkhand started earlier this morning at about 4:50 a.m. Uma is joining us on the broadcast. Uma, first train to ferry stranded migrants has begun its journey?
Yes, indeed. It's a special train and it is carrying migrants from the state of Jharkhand. It's going to be a non-stop train, and they are telling us also that social distancing norms will be followed, which means that they are not going to be having a train that is overfull. This was done in a very low profile manner. It started from Lingampally, which is not one of the main stations of Hyderabad. Otherwise, you have a Nampally, a Kachiguda and a Sikandrabad. But no, it started from Lingampally, from where this train set off at 4:30 in the morning. From what I understand, these people, this Jharkhand migrants were brought in from Sangareddy district, which is a little distance, one of the neighboring districts of Hyderabad. And they are now being sent to Hatia, which is of course in Ranchi in Jharkhand. The Telangana government has been giving varying figures about migrants because it's very difficult in the unorganized sector to know how many migrants exactly are there. Mr. K.T. Ramarao had earlier told me that they have some 6 lakh migrants, of which many people have actually started leaving and have already left during this period of lockdown. This morning I was speaking to Mr. Srinivas Yadav, who said 15 lakh migrants easily are there, and that he said the Chief Minister had quoted a figure of 18 lakh, and they do believe that many of them have to traverse 500 to 1,000 kilometers, and therefore they are. It is very unsafe to send them by bus either. But this group of migrant labor that is coming in from Jharkhand, that has already left. This is a special train that's been organized. They've already left the SCR zone because they've traversed quite a distance, and they are avoiding any media coming in at the other end either, because they want to avoid any kind of transmission of the disease. Let's listen in to what the Jharkhand Chief Minister, Mr. Hemant Soren, has said.
हमारे झारखंडी भाइयों एवं बहनों, छात्र छात्राएं, सबको मेरा जोहार। भारत सरकार ने आप सब लोगों को वापस झारखंड में आने की अनुमति दे दी है। अब हमारा ये दायित्व बनता है कि हम आपको कैसे झारखंड लेके आए। हमने छात्र छात्राओं के लिए, विभिन्न राज्यों में फंसे हुए मजदूरों के लिए हमने कार्य योजना तैयार कर ली है, और मजदूरों को लाने का कार्य अब अंतिम चरण पर है। आप सुनेंगे अखबारों के माध्यम से, टीवी चैनलों के माध्यम से, फेसबुक, ट्विटर के माध्यम से, अन्य सूचना तंत्र के माध्यम से कि झारखंड ने जो लगातार हमारे बाहर फंसे हुए झारखंडियों के बारे में केंद्र सरकार के साथ हम लोग आपको यहां लाने की मांग कर रहे थे, अंतोगत्वा हमें ये अधिकार प्राप्त हुआ आपको वापस लाने का। आप घबराएं नहीं, बहुत जल्द झारखंड की व्यवस्था आपके घरों तक पहुंचेगा, आप तक पहुंचेगा, और आपको सकुशल सुरक्षित झारखंड लेके आएगी।